Let's say that you got an old machine like this and you want to get rid of the CRT and you want instead utilize a LCD screen monitor. Well, you cannot directly plug in the VGA connector to the board because there's no VGA output. What you have to do to be able to do that, because it is possible to do, you can use uh, EGA to uh, what is that, CGA to VGA converter board. It's got the VGA output, and you can input the signals independently for red, green, and blue, and the horizontal and the vertical signals from the microprocessor, or there's a chip for the video output on that motherboard. Plug it in here, and then you plug in the monitor, and then you'll have an LCD screen. There's only that there's a problem with these old monitors, that the frequency that they work in is about 25 hertz, something like that, is kind of low. And these VGA to CGA converter, CGA to VGA converter is made for arcade games, and usually those monitors will handle higher frequencies. So this particular card won't work on this monitor. It flickers, it just never stabilizes. For these kind of monitors and for other equipment like CNC, old CNC stuff that got CRT monitors, and then you want to put a LCD display, then there's another converter, industrial type converter, where this will handle lower frequencies from the board to this converter and then to the monitor, and then it works okay. The only bad thing is that this one, as you can see here, it says bad because I was dumb and burned it out. I plugged it in wrong. I was messing with trying to plug in a D111, and I did, and it worked. But I was messing with the wiring and a crisscross wire, and it burned the chip inside the converter. Bad thing about this is that this is a $200 piece or part. This is only around $30. So once I did that, then that was it. I didn't want to buy another one. But yeah, there's a way to do the conversion from an old machine, from the CRT to the LCD screen. And this is actually what I'm planning to do when I install the this circuit on the other cabinet, the newer style cabinet. And then I'm gonna try to find the way either to buy one of these, or maybe they're cheaper these days, I don't know, and or try to get the signal somehow lower on this board. That's going to be tough to do. This is the easiest way to do a conversion. There was a comment on the video where I was talking about, making this machine together with the other cabinet and just putting it together. And he commented that he wanted to do something like this. Well, this is the way that people in the industry will do it, and they have an old piece of equipment and they want to keep using it. They just buy one of these and substitute the screen on it. I'm gonna try to put a link down on the descriptions. I got this one on eBay, so if you wanna buy one of those and you wanna risk $200 and maybe damage to your equipment, that's up to you. But yeah, there's a way to do it, and this is a way. Anyway, this is gonna be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.